Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite tools in Excel that makes handling data a breeze, the flash fill. If you haven't used it yet, you're in for a treat. And if you have, you're about to see just how powerful it really is. I'll be showing you 10 practical examples of flash fill that will save you time and make your data look clean and professional. But first, let's learn a little bit about the flash fill. Flash fill is a powerful feature in Microsoft Excel that automatically fills in values based on patterns you establish with just a few examples. Introduced in Excel 2013, Flash fill is especially helpful for cleaning and formatting data quickly without the need for complex formulas or coding. Here's how it works. When you start typing a pattern in an adjacent column, Excel recognizes what you're trying to do and fills in the remaining cells for you. This makes it ideal for tasks like splitting full names into first and last names, extracting specific text or numbers, reformatting phone numbers, standardizing date formats, and more. Essentially, Flash fill learns from the example you provide and applies the same transformation across your data. Flash fill is a must-know tool for anyone who works with large datasets, as it can save you significant time on repetitive tasks. Instead of spending time manually reformatting data, you can use flash fill to clean up your information in just a few clicks, making it easier to analyze and present. To activate flash fill, simply start typing the desired pattern and press Ctrl E, or press Enter when Excel suggests the fill, or find it under the Data tab in the Data Tools group. Flash fill works with numbers, text, and dates, providing a versatile solution for common data cleaning tasks. Let's start with splitting names. Imagine you have a list of full names like John A. Doe or Jane T. Smith, and you need to separate them into first names, middle initials, and last names. Flash fill can do this in seconds. Simply type the first name in the next column, and once you start typing the next name in the second row, Flash fill will suggest a fill. If this is okay with you, just press Enter. You can also go to the Data tab on the Data Tools group and hit Flash fill, or use the shortcut Ctrl E, and Excel will finish the rest for you. It's that easy. Next up, combining data. Sometimes you need to merge information, like combining first and last names with job titles. For example, John Doe -manager or Jane Smith -analyst. Flash fill makes this super easy. You type the first row as you want it to appear, and flash fill takes care of the rest. Let's talk phone numbers. Raw data often comes in different formats. Flash fill can standardize this in seconds. Just type the number format you want, like open parentheses 123 close parentheses space 456-7890, and watch flash fill applies it across the entire list. Emails. Whether you need to extract usernames or domain names, flash fill can do both. For instance, if we have johndoe@company.com, you can use flash fill to extract just John Doe or only company.com. This trick is perfect for lists of contacts. Here's a cool one: reformatting dates. Sometimes dates come in formats that don't work for you, and manually changing them would be a nightmare. Just type the format you want, and flash fill will apply it across the entire column. Usually, if the pattern is clear, pressing the flash fill icon or the shortcut Ctrl E will fill the entire column with the suggested transformation. However, like in this example, sometimes the applied transformation is different from the expected outcome. You just need to provide another example and check the outcome again. If the transformation is still not what is needed, you have to try with another example. Need initials? Flash fill to the rescue again. For names like John A. Doe, you can quickly generate JAD by typing it once and letting flash fill handle the rest. This is great for creating quick, unique identifiers. Extracting numbers from text. Let's say you have product codes mixed with letters, like prod 1234 or item 4567. and just want the numbers. Type the first number, hit flash fill, and Excel pulls the digits from each code instantly. No need for complicated formulas. Converting text case. Flash fill also helps with converting text cases. Say your data is all in lowercase, but you need it capitalized or in proper case. Type the case you want, and flash fill will do the work. It's perfect for making data look polished. Got names in the wrong order? If you have Doe, John, but you want John Doe, FlashFill can rearrange it in seconds. Type it in the format you want, and FlashFill will fix the entire list. Super handy for contact lists and directories. And finally, extracting keywords. Imagine you have descriptions like blue sports shoes size 10, but you only need the color or product type. FlashFill lets you type the word you want, like blue, and it extracts just that word from every cell. Perfect for filtering data. And that's FlashFill in action. From splitting names and reformatting dates to extracting keywords. FlashFill is like Excel's secret weapon for saving time. Try these out and let me know in the comments which example you're most excited to use. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.